Hey guys, welcome back to Patty Baker, and today I'm going to be unboxing the Mega Minx and that my mother ordered for me, and uh, it's actually from Cube by Toys, and it's a speed cube. So it's actually 899 rupees, and yeah, let me remove this. So actually with stickers, it's actually nice. Well, there were two ways, but there were actually two colors that you can actually get. One was with the black base and one is with the white base. I chose the one with the black base, and it's actually really nice, and the movement is very smooth though. It's really smooth. I really like the movement. Yeah, it's very smooth. It's actually very reasonable price too. $8.99. I actually got it for a discount, and I actually paid. It's actually costed around $6.99. Yeah, I got it with a discount. It's really nice. And as I was like just seeing some few tutorials on how to solve this before I could actually buy this, and I actually found that this is actually very simple because this is also based on the by the Rubik's cube, and it's the same way. Like you finish the first layer and then you go on and then you finish the another layer, and then you go on and then you finish it. Only the last layer there are some few new algorithms that you learn, and that's actually really cool. I really like this one. The movement is very smooth. I did not expect it to be so smooth though. It's really cool. Yeah, it's very nice. So yeah, do like, share and subscribe. If you subscribe to my channel, I'm going to be showing you how to solve this. And also, if you subscribe to my channel, I will show you how to solve these two cubes or even these different ones. I'm not sure about this one though, but I'll be teaching you other ones like this. And yeah, and I've actually made a playlist on playlist which is like the name of the playlist is how to solve puzzles which are based on 3x3 Rubik's cube, and I've also made some few parity solutions. So yeah, thanks for watching.